Yeah, namaste.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Didn't realize how much we miss you. It's so
I
good to see
know.
all the faces.
In this 1 week.
Yeah.
See all the lovely faces.
Yes.
I really, even I'm missing all of you. It's
Then
so
Radha.
sweet.
Radha is coming
I
in
felt,
today.
I felt today, after a long time, I'm seeing you all.
We cannot see
Okay.
Hansa.
We
ma'am.
cannot see you, ma'am.
Yeah, we cannot see your face.
You can't see me?
No,
Your
ma'am.
camera is-
Video is off. Video is
I-
off, Saji.
I am seeing you first.
My
I'm seeing all of you. So it is very good. Lovely, lovely, lovely. First, let me see all of you. Yeah, I saw Jayashree also. Paresh. Okay.
super heat.
Namaste,
Okay.
namaste everyone. Namaste Ansaji. Namaste all the teachers.
Namaste, Paresh.
And,
Namaste, sir.
and my God, my God, the students are looking completely
beautiful.
different.
Look at
Completely
You are
different.
Shah Rukh Khan, sir. You are a Shah Rukh Khan.
We miss
We
you
got
all
you
the
to
time,
Bobby.
all the time, all the time.
Namaste, sir.
Oh, Dharmesh. Okay, Dharmesh.
Namaste, sir.
How nice.
Paresh, sir, we are missing your flute.
Oh, we have
Oh,
to
hello.
do one special session for that. Definitely.
Jayashree Savla. Hi, Jayashree. Looking very sweet.
Yes, thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. Hi. And अब क्या करना है बोलो जयश्री जयश्री
मैम आज जयश्री मैम नहीं बोलेंगे आज
All in their hands, ma'am.
मैम आज जयश्री मैम को
Now the
respect देंगे हम
Yeah, and we're all unmuted today.
Host is them, ma'am. So
So,
Today Jayashree ma'am is a guest.
before we hand over to the teachers, we are going to be the host and over to Shobha.
very good.
All right, so I think we have a video that's to be played in the beginning. So we will
We're just
start
waiting
with
for
that.
we're just waiting for a few more people to join in. Just give us 2 minutes, and then we'll play.
All right. So
Ashita,
then, all right. So our show flow was something else.
Shobha, you look very beautiful. I can
Shobha,
see
you look
lovely
so
faces.
different, so beautiful.
Thank you so much, Hansa ma'am.
And look at her, Chandra Malik. She has
Ma'am,
made
she is the human confetti.
okay.
of the party.
He is the showstopper today, ma'am.
Huh?
He is the showstopper
Okay.
today.
Chandra
Okay.
ji. Yes.
Chandra ji look having a retro look, huh? Chandra.
I had actual- I changed my name to Galina Reshetnikova. Nobody noticed it.
Okay.
Is that?
I noticed.
Yeah,
Chandra
we
ji
did,
couldn't
we did.
pronounce
I
it.
noticed.
I noticed. Couldn't pronounce it.
I was wondering how to say that name. Then I thought it's Paula's name or something like that. Didn't notice it's Chandraji's name.
I know Chandra Malik.
Chandra ji,
Hansa sir, everybody's
Zinat
not
Aman.
here, no?
1980s
Right,
Zinat Aman.
right. A very
Namaste,
retro.
Manoj sir.
Yeah.
Anil sir, Ramendra sir, yoga teachers are not here.
Acha,
Some
they
other
are
teachers are also
they
missing.
have not
Let's
come
wait
yet.
for them, ma'am, for 2 minutes and then we'll start.
Ramendra.
If you haven't noticed, we're all color coded. We're all in shades of red.
Okay.
All of us are
I
Rajasthan.
have joined
All of
you.
us.
I have joined you a bit, not red, but orange. Today is Sunday, so that color.
We did think
This is
about
my-
it. We did
This
think
is
of
my
a very
Sunday
different color
color.
as you.
This is my Sunday color.
We thought
Yeah.
about it.
We thought of
Alright.
wearing the same color as you.
We actually thought of matching you, but we didn't recollect what is the color. So we just chose red.
Come on,
No,
Sunday.
Sunday color. I thought yellow or orange something.
Sunday,
Like
so
that.
Orange, yeah. We
And
said orange.
today I am seeing a full moon. Full moon today. I saw that. I went to terrace before this. Lovely moon, full moon. And tomorrow we will have full moon meditation.
Okay.
So we will do that at 8 o'clock, from 8 to 9.
And
So
so, ma'am,
lovely.
thank you for the invitation, the video that Jesse ma'am sent, telling us that the institution has opened, and we are all welcome. So we're all looking forward to at least some time to come over and take your invitation and enjoy the campus. Because we feel we're part of the family now.
Yes, very much, very much, very much. And I always wish that 7 days, if you could take out and come and stay with me for 7 days, we have what is called a 7-day camp. That would be lovely. That would be really good. So try and live, because your body will go through a cleansing and overhauling, repair work. All that will happen when you are in for 7 days with us, and it would do good. And so try.
There is.
Plan. Okay, so Anil is here.
Anil
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Anil sir.
Namaste.
He can't recognize any of us. He's looking at us, he can't recognize us.
Yeah, he's
He's looking very confused. Who are these aliens?
No, not aliens. Like, how come all of a sudden like you are projected me? That's why I was wondering.
No, smile, smile.
he usually makes you to do this asana, that asana you people are doing and sweating, and now today you are looking so fresh and lovely. So this is a new sight for him, isn't it, Anil?
Ma'am, before
Yes.
the results are out,
Namaste,
I just
sir.
want to make sure that we all pass.
Yeah. Oh. Of course you all will pass. Or we will help you to pass if you don't pass. We'll help you again to teach you something. Again, you can give exam. Paresh?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
We will make sure, definitely sure that you all become a better person in the end of the course, apart from getting the certificate. Ma'am will try that. Hansaji will definitely try that.
Priyaji,
I'm
don't think of
100%
the
sure
result.
about it.
Your karma.
They are already a better person. I can see that. No? All of you?
Yes. Yes.
It's the makeup, ma'am.
So Shobha, over to you.
Fun.
We are just waiting till 7:15. We are waiting till 7:15 for everybody to log in. Till the time we are just catching up. Or shall we start? Oh,
Just start, I think.
We can start because we have a lot of things.
So we'll start with the show. It's not that professional, so please excuse me.
It is from heart, so it is fine. Okay. Anybody entering my screen goes away.
I hope everyone can hear.
Yes.
Now, yes. Virtual gala night. Okay, gala night.
Priyanka, we are not able to hear if there is any music.
That's true.
Can you hear
It is
now?
unfragmented, infinite, timeless, definitely, and it pervades the entire universe, movable or unmovable.
Can you hear now?
Yeah.
Yes, we can.
Shobha, over to you now.
We can't hear Priyanka.
You can't hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you.
Some people
Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay.
Yes.
Shobha, over to you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, teachers and students. Welcome to the Yoga Institute Advanced Teachers Training Course 2020 August batch Gala Night with our amazing teachers. Wow, that was quite something to say in one breath. Thanks to all those pranayama classes. I welcome all the teachers on the behalf of each and every student of this batch. And before we really begin, I would like to take this opportunity again on the behalf of each and every student from our batch to thank our teachers, our gurus, who have been truly inspirational throughout the course. They have shared their knowledge, wisdom, humility, and hope with us all through these 4 months. And it just didn't feel like the 4 months just flew by us. And we really thank you. We're really humbled to have you in our lives, teachers. Thank you very much for taking out time and joining us here today in this evening of celebration. Thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts. Before we begin with the show, in these 4 months, the medium of these classes was Zoom. So let me just take a quick understanding of how well do we all know Zoom by now, including our teachers. So I have a couple of questions, and you have to say thumbs up or thumbs down or heart, or there are reactions on the Zoom feature. So the first question is that how many of you did practice yoga today? Where are the thumbs up, thumbs downs? Guys, we're doing Zoom for 4 months, 6 hours a day. All right, that's quite a few.
Shobha, I just woke up.
You just woke up. Welcome to the party.
Me too.
All right, we had our exams yesterday. How many of you or are you nervous about the results? No? Yes? Neerja, if you're nervous about the results, I don't know about the rest of us, please. Okay, are you all excited to visit the Yoga Institute campus when the world becomes a better place to travel?
Yes.
All right, and the last question. You love the host of this show. She's the most amazing person you've ever met.
Ooh.
All right, guys, I'm just pushing my luck. No need to answer that. I'm just pushing my luck. Thank you so much for your participation. And throughout the show, you can show your reactions, and we'll be having a 10-second quick unmute session after each performance where you can give your reactions, applaud, or all that you want to say about that performance. But just for 10 seconds, let's be mindful of time. We have quite a lot of things packed up. Now, let's get the show on the road. First up, we have a very special, beautiful dance performance. It is called Navarasa. It encapsulates the 9 expressions that humans often show. We have 9 performances. The expressions are Dukha, sorrow, performed by Sangeeta. We have Rodra, anger, performed by Shivani. Vibhats, fear, by Priyanka. Bhayanak, disgust, by Sangeeta. Shringar, that is love, by Abha. Hasya, that is humorous, by Shivani. Adbhut, that is wonder, by Sunita ji. Veer, that is brave, by Priyanka. And Shantaras, that is peace, by Roma. So let's begin this beautiful performance. Let's watch out.
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे जीतेगा, कहाँ पे बजेगा। जीरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा, मिला तो मरेगा। सके तो बच गया, ये ज़लज़ला है, पूरे सूर्य पर चला है। इसमें तुम्हें जो लड़ा है, कौन रह सका लड़ा है। सबसे अटल, सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र
Wow, wasn't that absolutely amazing, guys? Your reactions quickly on that beautiful, beautiful, lovely performance.
Awesome. Beautiful.
By beautiful girls in our batch. And you can truly see for yourself that we have so many multi-talented people here in this batch.
True.
Speaking of that, I will now like to invite Rashida to come forward. She has a quick message for our beautiful teachers here. So let's see what she has to say. Rashida, may we have you here?
Right. So namaste, everyone. I hope you all are having a good time. And let me take this opportunity to say a few words to all of us. So they say that all good things come to an end. But what do they know? Some good things only lead to better things. So having taken this one tiny and wonderful step in the study of yoga with the Yoga Institute, at this point of time, we would like to remember our gurus from the past, Sri Yogendra Ji, Ma Sita Devi, Dr. Jaydev, and our very own precious Hansama, plus all the wonderful gurus who have taken out time to be present here, and even those who couldn't be present. Teachers who helped to shed the way for the light of knowledge for us. As we understand from Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, few of us are lucky to be born as a yogi because of our previous karmas. But for most of us, struggling in today's world, the other alternative to attaining our goal in life, as per Maharishi Patanjali in his Sutra 1.20, Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi Pragya, Purvaka, Purvak, Itare Sham. To attain one's goal in life, faith, enthusiasm, memory, consciousness, and discriminative knowledge is our path forward. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of all my fellow classmates and now my dear, dear friends, to seek your blessings as we embark forward on this journey, which is a continuation of what began for all of us 4 months ago. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you so much, Rashida, for that beautiful message. And once again, thank you so much, teachers, for all your teachings and your humble presence here with us this evening. Moving forward, next up, we have more talent coming your way. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, after the dance, here now comes some singing divas of the class just before you. The first person to come up is someone who we fondly call Notes Ninjas, because she gives notes to the whole class all the time, all the time, all the time. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Juhi Kapoor.
Namaste. I want to dedicate a song to this beautiful yoga journey we have had. So here goes. योग की लत मोहे ऐसी लागी, हो गई मैं मतवारी, बल बल जाऊं अपने गुरु को, के न जाऊं वारी वारी, मोहे सुध बुध नाय रही तन मन की, तो जाने दुनिया बेबस और लाचार फिरी मैं, हारी मैं दिल हारी, हारी मैं दिल हारी, तेरे नाम से जी लो, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, इस ज्ञान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं, तूने क्या कर डाला, मर गई मैं, मिट गई मैं, ओहो जी, हाँ हाँ जी, हो गई मैं तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी, तेरी दीवानी, दीवानी,
Absolutely amazing, guys. Thank you so much, Juhi, for that lovely performance.
Superb, Juhi.
Thank you.
Moving next
Kya
to
baat
our...
hai?
All right, moving forward to our next performer. Ladies and gentlemen, she is somebody who has a question for every teacher. Often spotted doing yoga with her cat and sipping the tea. Yes, I'm talking about Lyra Fernandez. Please put your hands together. Let's have her on the screen.
Rina Shero, Rina Sherai, quando tutto sarà finito, torneremo a rivedere le stelle. Rinascerò, rinascerai. La tempesta che ci travolge ci piega ma non ci spezzerai. Siamo nati per combattere la sorte, ma ogni volta abbiamo sempre vinto noi. Questi giorni cambieranno i nostri giorni, ma stavolta impareremo un po' di più. Rinascerò, rinascerai. Be reborn. You will be reborn. Let us live life best and make it splendid. In any uncertain situations, we may bend, but we will never break. Thank you, my dear friends, my dear teachers, for being with me in this journey of my life. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, Lyra, for that beautiful song. We have two Latino boys in the group, Jose and Diego. I hope they understood the meaning and they know the song. Rest of us don't, but it was, again, incredible. Moving forward to the next performance, this is by someone who we have always seen smiling on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about Neelam Kansara. Put your hands together. Let's welcome her.
I'm here and with my daughter Darshana today. I would like to dedicate a song to my teachers who are no less than friends. You have uplifted me from the darkness of ignorance and placed me to the light of your knowledge. Hope you enjoy the song. मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाने से उठा के मेरी जिंदगी सवारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया पलक पे मुझे खाने से उठा के तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार आना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Lots of love and gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neelam, for that beautiful song. And now we have a very special video that has most of us in it. So let's move on to that.
मधुबन खुशबू देता है सागर सावन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है। जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल। सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल। फूल मिले या अंगार, सच की राहों पे चलता चल। सच की राहों पे चलता चल। प्यार दिलों को देता है, मुश्किलों को नमन देता है। जीना मुस्कान जीना है, औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। चलती है लहरा के पवन, तो सांस सबके चलते रहे। चलती है लहरा के पवन, तो सांस सबके चलते रहे। लोगों ने क्या किए जीवन, जो प्रीतमों में पलते रहे। जो प्रीतमों में पलते रहे। दिल वो दिल है जो औरों को अपनी धड़कन देता है। जीना मुस्कान जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हम निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा। किसी की वास्ते होते ये दिल दिखा। इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हम निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा। किसी के वास्ते होते ये दिल में प्यार। जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता मन से दिल के इतबार का, जिंदा है हम से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता मन से दिल के इतबार का, जिंदा है हम से नाम प्यार का। कि मिल के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे। कहीं का फूल भी कली से बार बार। जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उठा। किसी के वास्ते होते ये दिल में प्यार। जीना इसी का नाम है।
अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। इसके क्यों तो सकते हैं।
Three embodies Pramana, Vipaya, Smriti, Niti.
Nidra or Vikalpa. All of them help us with Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga, yoga, yoga. It's usually yoga. It's always about Chitta Vritti Nirodha.
Gotta get rid of these pleasures to reach Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Be it avidya, root of all pleasures. Be it asmita, raga, klesha, videsha. Let us get rid of these pleasures. Yoga is you or it's yoga. Always Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Chitta Prasada Yama Anyam Niyama Abhyasa Asana Pranayama Pratyahara. You would reach Dharana and Dhyana. For to reach Samadhi is Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Aha, it's yoga. It's you or yoga. It's always Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Aha. Let us all carry the right powers. Dharma, Jnana, Vairagya, Aishwarya, Uttamarikari, Rapsa, Parikarma, Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha, ultimately it's Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Aha, it's yoga. Yoga could also be Yotsan Mantra, or Yoga Karma Supashala, or Samakam Yoga Uchate. Aha, it's yoga. It's Rapid Chandra Roma, rapped by Jessica Jeshri Chandra, Priyanka Chandan and Dharma, gratitude to the Yoga Institute, forever it will be. Aha, it's yoga.
Okay, wow.
Wow, wasn't that absolutely amazing? Wow, so cool. Thank you so much for that lovely performance. And next up, we have a special party coming for you.
Nice to see you. Oh, hi, Smita. Hello, everyone.
Hi, Smita. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Smita. Hi, everyone. Nice to see you all. Hi, everyone. Hi, Smita. How are you? Hello, everyone. Hi, Smita. How are you? Good. I have made a lot of yummy food for all of you. Just tell me, what would you like to have? I have a sack with you. A combination of little bit hummus and lettuce, okay? Smita, I have such a lovely spread. Thank you, Smita, for homemade burger and butterfly pea cheese. This looks very refreshing. So girls, I have missed you all so much in this one. Okay? Tell me, how is your life going on after this TV series?
Sing a song.
Priyanka's screen is not being shared.
Shobha, where are you? I can't hear you.
I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Yeah, this video was longer. Okay, all right. So those were the amazing, lovely performances that we have put up for our teachers. Hansa ma'am, a quick question to you. Were you able to spot your favorite Digo in the video? In that candle video? No?
Everything was so lovely. Everything was so good that we thought, what a miracle. All this party together, apple passing together, and all these things together. Basically, candles giving to each other. What a lovely thing. I could see every one of you and all of you doing your acting movement. Some of you were not there, but yes, majority. It was amazing, beautiful, very nicely planned, very nicely presented. Congratulate all of you.
Thank you so
doing
much,
all
Hansa
such-
ma'am.
And you have brought this practical approach to life. That is my management. You should have, you could show even how to take baths. And very practical, how you tie the lace and how you put the things. And exactly, that's how the yoga comes into day-to-day living, every moment. Very good, very good.
Now the
I'm so
journey has started. And it has started with the best of the best there. So thank you
Yes.
so much for all your encouragement,
Yes.
guidance. And, we have put up a great show, but we also have our teachers who are multi-talented. And yes, I'm talking about Paresh sir. Sorry to put you in the spot, but sir, you have to do that Shah Rukh Khan move for us. We have been calling you Shah
Yes,
Rukh Khan
yes.
throughout the batch. Like do that one, open wide arms, open that signature Shah Rukh Khan step for us.
Yes, Paresh.
We have to see you, Paresh sir, and you have to say a dialogue also. Any dialogue.
that-
We know you're
Or if
filming.
you have the flute.
This
if you
is
have
the
flute.
this is the
And you
practice.
have the flute talent also. Paresh sir has singing, Bollywood acting, so many talents. What all can be seen
The,
in such limited time? But
loving yourself has been taught by no other than Institute itself. In our 21-day course, we do this regularly, and this has really immensely helped the students. Loving your all self. And Hansa ji will say about this, why we love ourselves. Hansa ji, आप please जरा कुछ share कीजिए इसके बारे में.
अभी क्या बोल
To love yourself and why you have to love yourself. Hansa ji has taught us this. Dr. Sadas.
I have been talking to them also that unless you love yourself, you won't know what love means. And unless you love yourself, you won't be able to love anybody else in the world. Know thyself is the basic, and you are the product of love on this earth. And you have to learn to first love yourself, respect yourself, uplift yourself, and then go ahead and love everybody. And come on, Paresh. Paresh, go ahead.
Come on,
Come on, sir, you're
everyone,
acting
everyone,
flawless.
the teachers who have taught me and the students, all, come on, spread your arms. Hug yourself, rock yourself, cuddle yourself, and love yourself, and say, I love. Look up and say your own name, not myself. Yes. One more time. Spread your arms on the other side. Hug yourself, rock yourself, love yourself, and say loudly. Don't feel ashamed, and say, I love myself.
Love myself. Unmute everybody.
Thank you so much, sir. How much we are going to miss from you in the morning that we only
Yes.
know, sir.
That's
And
true.
also, see, another thing that we are going to miss from you is Lyra. What are you doing, Lyra? No, Lyra. I told you not to do this, Lyra.
Lyra was always on the other zone. Yeah, Lyra was always on the other zone.
And speaking of Lyra, I would now like to talk about Chandra ji. Chandra,
The rock
And when I
star.
talk about Chandra ji, how can we not talk about Anil sir?
What are you
Every
looking?
evening
What are you
class,
looking for,
Chandra ji.
Chandra? I'm trying to crawl and stretch, Chandra. What are you looking for? And I'm trying to stretch and crawl. What are you looking for?
Nikita,
Chandra.
your right leg. Nikita.
Which is your left leg? Which is your right leg?
And to Nikita. Nikita, I'm saying right leg. Where is your right leg? Which one is your right leg? That is Anil sir for all of us. You all make me only do. Twice I have done. Again I have to do. This one is extra. So that is Anil sir for us. Thank you so much, sir. We're missing your classes so much, sir. And we really love you. Taruna ma'am is also here on my screen. Ma'am, thank you so much for your amazing, amazing sessions throughout. I mean, we loved all of your sessions and all of them were like, you taught with so much simplicity. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have also Dharmesh sir joining us in the party. Sir, where is Dharmesh sir? I just want to
There
see
is
him.
Dharmesh Sukhadia. There
Sir
he
is
is.
here
Thank you.
in the party.
Yeah, I'm here.
Sir, we'll miss your count, sir. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Sir, we're going to miss it so much.
Shobha, I will share
Sir,
my.
sir does it with so much rhythm. Sir does it with so much rhythm. And so I'm like, inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So cool. We are going to miss you
Shobha,
so much,
Shobha,
sir.
like to share my experience with Dharmesh sir. Dharmesh sir,
Please,
if you allow me, Dharmesh sir, please.
Yeah,
When-
please go ahead.
He's my Guruji. So when I used to attend Dharmesh sir's class, the very first week I was thinking that I'm attending a military class, you know. Dharmesh sir was so strict, but he made sure that I, or for that matter, all the students come into the correct posture. And thank you, Dharmesh ji, for that.
Sir, Dharmesh sir's passion is something else only. I mean, the way he's so particular about that instruction and he makes sure that everybody follows. This you have to write. Please take a note, students. So he's very affirmative, he's very serious, he's very much in the elements of a guru in the class. Thank you so much, Dharmesh.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hansama, we are going to miss your Digo. Where are you, Digo? Hansama will go through all 3 screens only to see Digo. And then when we started saying, like, I particularly started saying, ma'am, you're only talking about Digo, not about the rest of us. Then ma'am started taking 2-3 names here and there, but Digo is always there in ma'am's list. Digo, looking good, smiling, all okay, girlfriend okay. So all of that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Who else do we have? We have Bihar sir here. Thank you, Bihar sir, for special classes. In the last few days, we managed to have a couple of sessions with him and bone-breaking sessions. All that I can say about those sessions is that beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Sir. We have Simone ma'am here. Thank you, ma'am, for all the Yoga Sutra lessons, personal anecdotes, stories, and everything that you shared with us.
Thank you.
Your batch. Exceptional students, really. Very exceptional. All the best to you all.
Thank you so
And
much.
under the guidance of Promil ma'am, we have learned to make presentations, present the Yoga Sutras, get into every little detail. And she has encouraged everybody so much, whether we were, we were on the point or a little here and there, but Promil ma'am has always encouraged all of us so much. And thank you so much, ma'am, for all the love that you've given, all the personal stories that you shared, from your banking career, from your personal life. Thank you so much for those beautiful lessons, ma'am.
What about Jayashree? What about
Have
Jayashree?
Jayashree, ma'am. Yes, we have Jayashree, ma'am, here. Today looking very beautiful in a sari. I think it's Sunday, so ma'am got some time to dress up, but otherwise Jayashree ma'am is always on the clock right from the morning, setting up so many classes, sending so many links to us all the time. And very, very affirmative. She is strict, affirmative, but yet loved by all because she takes care of everyone like nobody else. And she takes care of our queries like nobody else. Thank you so much, Jayashree ma'am. Blessed to have cross paths with you.
They were all wonderful students, Hansaji. I had no problem with them. They were superb, very cooperative, very...
I know. This was such a good group, I tell you. We can never forget them. They're very good. We
Thank you.
enjoyed teaching. I enjoyed talking so many things to them. It was very nice.
One
And so-
request to you, Hansama. We want to take the certificate personally from the institute with your hands. So if you allow us, once the institute open, then only we will come and take the certificate from you. Is it okay?
Yeah, Jayashree, you will have to organize.
Yes.
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 Thank
As
you
per
so
last
much.
time.
Please do, ma'am.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
You
Thank
see,
you
I
so
tell
much.
you, we are starting the 7-day camp, no? So students would be there. I'll be talking. So that's the time, that camp time, they can come and we can give them certificate. We can, because it would be a small group right now. Still people don't know
Yes.
about. So
Yeah.
that's the time we can definitely give. Because this is how we
Yeah,
used to
thank you so
people give it
much.
to-
So we can meet in person.
Yeah, come
Also-
to the institute.
Also,
Come
we
to
have
the
Seema ma'am
institute.
here on the group.
Yeah, Seema.
Seema ma'am has been very silent throughout this.
Everybody.
So we
Savita
just
ma'am
like
is
to
also
thank
there.
Seema ma'am also. Ma'am has been strict, sweet, and all shades of all emotions with us during the PTS sessions. And ma'am, you've made us learn so much. Thank you so much for all your little nuances that you pointed out in us. That one could never imagine, that this is the correction and this could be done this way. So thank you so much for all those lessons.
I hope you all follow the yogic diet, whatever you learned.
Dinacharya,
That
it's
is
a part of our,
important.
it's a part of our life.
Kavita ma'am, we are going to follow Dinacharya, Ritucharya, all of that.
So it's become part of our life, Dinacharya.
That's true.
Ma'am, we are going to miss your mama.
Yes. Yes.
Shobha, we have Kalpana ma'am, we have others
ma'am.
also who have joined in.
Kalpana ma'am.
Sucharita
Yes,
is there.
We have Sucharita ma'am. Sucharita ma'am, thank you for your public speaking lessons, for all the fun that you brought out during the sessions and all the encouragement.
And you guys rock. You guys rock in the public speaking.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You brought out the speakers out of all 70 of us, and which is such a Herculean task. It's not, everybody is not a great orator, and you made sure that everybody did from 2 minutes to 10 minutes, and the journey was,
Yes.
scaling for everyone. So thank you so much for that. And
And Shashi
Kalpana-
Shashi is also here.
Shashi ji,
Shashi
yes.
is also.
All right. We have Kalpana ma'am also here in the.
Namaste.
Yes, ma'am.
Shashi ma'am,
Namaste, Kalpana ma'am.
Namaste, ma'am. Good to
Already
see
missing
you.
your sessions. Already missing your sessions, ma'am. We are going to miss your muscle by muscle, bone by bone, breath by breath instruction in each and every asana. Kalpana ma'am
Yes.
will make us feel the muscles which we didn't even know we have in our body. She'll tell us to pull up the muscles that don't exist in the body.
and 3 parts of the same muscle. There's a middle
yeah,
part
yeah.
and the top part in the middle. And you said, really? They really have
Yeah.
so many parts? Muscle?
If there are 206 bones in human body, Kalpana ma'am knows about 512. To put it so- so
It is all Guru's Kripa. Gurus have taught all these things.
Also, Shashi ma'am, thank you so much for all your lessons, guidance, and I am not able to see you here on the screen, but thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I see you.
Thank you so much.
Truly humbled to have learned from you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Shobha, Madhu is here, and even Manoj.
Manoj sir. Manoj sir, we are missing your chants already. We were talking in the group the other day. Beautiful, beautiful chants by Manoj sir. Every class began with sir's chants. And
Thank you very
so much, sir, for the beautiful music and chants that you brought in our life.
Thanks a lot. And really, actually, this batch is an exceptional batch. And let me tell you, like, you are awesome.
Thank you, sir.
And I believe that, like, from you, even one more chanter will come from this batch.
Thank you, sir.
And also we have Madhu ma'am here.
Madhu
I
ji
am not
here.
able to spot.
Simon.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much,
Madhu,
Madhu,
yeah.
for
Right.
such great classes. We have waited for your classes, and every day, I mean, you've taught us so well, ma'am. Thank you so much for all the encouragement, all the guidance, and all the right knowledge that came our way. Thank you so much.
You all were great, wonderful. Thank you.
How come you are here,
Thank you,
Bihar? Vihar is here. Vihar.
Bihar
Thakkar.
takes take morning sessions for them, Hansaji.
Okay.
He's a teacher, ma.
He's a teacher. Yeah, he didn't break
Okay,
our
okay.
bones, but he tried, but he couldn't break our bones. In fact, we've become
Okay. Okay.
Hansama,
Good.
Hansama, would you like to share with the students the new therapy course that we are starting? We are launching soon from Jan.
Well, first of all, you saw Dharmesh, no? Dharmesh Tukadia. With him, and we are starting a course which is for cancer. So cancer and person has to learn how to handle. This is for those who want to become a teacher of cancer, and so it's a certificate course, and you could start that course, and it would really do good because you will always find such patients who are there. Dharmesh, why don't you speak something quickly?
Yeah, thank you. It's just now we finished the orientation program. As I said that there is difference between a general yoga practice and oncology based yoga, and there is a lot of difference we learn about this program. It is quite interesting. You learn the physiology, the biology of cancer treatments, their side effects, and how yoga is fused with these cancer survivors, and how can we rehabilitate them, how can we improve the immune system. Then I think that is the best part of this particular program. And under the guidance of Hansaji, there are a lot of meditative practices and asanas and other pranayama techniques are all in this.
So we have made a very
Yeah.
organized, very systematic course, and I think so people should learn so that they can help many in the world, in the society, and learning is always good. So we are starting, and then anybody, if you know they are suffering from cancer or cancer survivors, they should join this course so that they can go ahead in their life nicely. We have full confidence to help cancer patients. We have many of such. So that's it. Then we are going to start with other courses also. We will be starting the course on Ayurveda. We will be starting course on, I don't know much. Rishi will know more. I forgotten. But we have a course for Yoga Sutra. We have a course for, we are going to have different courses. And we have a, I don't remember.
On yoga.
Children. We have course for children. If you want to teach children how to go about. Then we have a course for therapy. Taruna, you can tell something about therapy.
Yeah. In our ATTC, we are not able to cover up or go into much of details. So here we have planned a 4-month course, and we are launching in January. The details will be soon put up on the website, wherein more than 70 plus diseases will be taken in detail, and not just simple diseases, but even complicated diseases like problems like a lot of mind psychiatric disorders and endocrine system, all systems, a lot of detail. Each disease will be taken up, about the disease, and then how you manage it the yogic way. Of course, this is also being designed under the guidance of Hansama. So, I'm sure you all would, it will be a step up above your ATTC.
True. This is something which will help everybody in any case, because you yourself, your family members, everybody, to help them to, go ahead with it. And
become understudies also, to become as an understudy of Dr. Taruna?
First, we are teaching as a certificate course. I mean, you will get the certificate and you will become a therapist, yoga therapist. So therapy part separately, we are going to have it. And so this would be the course as a yoga therapist. So you can always be in touch through us on website, and we will be announcing one by one. This we have already announced, Taruna?
No, we are just, hopefully in this week, we should be announcing. We are just in the process of
January. We'll start from January.
We're launching in January. That's been decided.
We are starting the cancer one very soon, na, Dharmesh?
Yes, on 4th of December.
4th of December. First
4th of
we will start
December.
with this.
Yeah. It's a 1 month program, and it's a 24-hour program, 12 sessions, 2 each, and it's an intense course. Yes.
Yes.
Considering everything into mind.
Yes. And all those asanas which you will be doing, you will really like it. The way in which the asanas are done, with the props also and this and that, you will like it, with little boulders and this and props. You will enjoy that. It's something new and it's interesting. So what else?
Thank you.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, that was the program. I would just like to announce the credits for organizing this beautiful program. So Nanda Kishore was our editor for all these videos, compiling them together, make the performance look the way it did. So thank you, Nanda Kishore. We have Priyanka also joining him for the compilation of these videos, collecting from all the students, taking care of the deadlines, and
It was very good, very good, very good.
Thank you, Priyanka. Priya, for the concept of a farewell party. It all started as a very small idea, which grew into a lot of multiple ideas, including production of forms, including our student-to-student forms, feedback forms, and then this beautiful party. She has taken a lot of initiatives for us in these 4 months. So thank you so much, Priya. Meghna Bomzan for the collage of pictures that we saw in the beginning with the Guru Ashtakam mantra. So all those pictures with our little photos and teachers' photos, that was all made by Meghna Bomzan. So thank you, Meghna, for doing that. And the show and the host of the show, that is me.
Thank you, Shobha.
Thank you.
Yeah, you did your job very well.
Thank you so much, Hansama. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Although I just don't feel like saying, ma'am, we don't feel like saying bye and leaving this link, but like the good things and bad things in life.
But this is the first time in my life I am seeing such a show, and this also was organized so wonderfully. I have heard few more things, different classes have done it, but it was all, I mean, this was really professional, quite a bit, very good. And so I liked it because it was really planned well. So congratulations, Priyanka, and congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, Hansama.
Ma'am, can we have Priya, can we have Priya say a few words, because she's really worked very hard. Priya, can you just say something, a few words, please?
Yes, Priya.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize my kids were screaming so much. And it's been, I think, when I told I will not speak because I will start to cry. So I asked everybody else to speak because I'll start to cry. I'm very emotional. I'm so attached with all of you, and I love you all. That's it.
Thank you so much, Priya.
Well, we are all together, Priya. We are together. We are not separate. We have seen each other after a few days, but we will definitely be together because it seems that God wanted us all to be together. That's why we are here. Maybe we were there in our last birth also. That's why we are here in this birth also.
Thank you so much, Hansama. We know that we have to catch up with our schedule. We have to leave this link whether we like it or not. But before leaving, just a minute, I would like to ask Manoj sir to do one last chant for all of us to end this beautiful class and session. Manoj sir, take it on.
Where are you?
What do you want me to chant?
Sir, anything that should want to chant.
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Or just normal.
Manoj, yada, yada.
Okay, yada, yes, sir.
Manoj, yada, yada.
Okay. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirvavati bharata abhyutanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि युगे युगे
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Paresh sir. Manoj sir. And one last time, by Paresh sir, how he says, love you all in his Shah Rukh Khan style, so that we all can exit. If you are here, Paresh sir.
No, this time you will do, Shobha. Come on. Come on, lead the class.
everyone.
Lead the class.
So everybody spread your arms, hug yourself, rock yourself, and most of this, because this is one time we all are together, and just say, I love myself, everybody else in this group. Thank you so much. everybody.
Gratitude. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much again, teachers, for your
Bye-bye.
Bye.